Today, I'm excited to share some fascinating general knowledge, GK, facts about mathematical discoveries, perfect for students, quizzes, and competitive exams. General knowledge on mathematics discoveries. Who is known as the father of mathematics? Archimedes, Greek mathematician and inventor. Who discovered zero, zero. Aryabhat, an Indian mathematician, is credited with the use of zero as a number. Who is called the father of Indian mathematics? Aryabhat. Which Indian mathematician gave the decimal system to the world? Bhaskaracharya, Bhaskara IN2. Who invented algebra? Al-Khwarizmi, a Persian mathematician. His name is the root of the word algorithm. Who is the father of geometry? Euclid, a Greek mathematician. Who gave the Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras, a Greek mathematician. Which country is considered the origin of mathematics? India, along with contributions from Greece and Babylon. Which ancient text contains early Indian mathematics? Salbasutras and Aryabhatiya. Who discovered calculus? Isaac Newton and Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, independently. Which number system did India give to the world? Hindu-Arabic numeral system, 0 to 9. What is the oldest known mathematical text? Rhind papyrus, from ancient Egypt, c. 1650 BC. Who is known for the Fibonacci sequence? Leonardo of Pisa, Fibonacci. What Indian mathematician worked on infinite series and continued fractions? Srinivasa Ramanujan. Which civilization first used geometry for land measurement? Ancient Egyptians. Here's more GK about math discoveries to expand your knowledge and help in quizzes and exams. More general knowledge facts on mathematics discoveries. Who first used the symbol equal to? Robert Recorde, a Welsh mathematician, in 1557. Who introduced the modern symbols for addition, plus, and subtraction, minus? Johann Widman, a German mathematician, in 1489. Who is the inventor of logarithms? John Napier, a Scottish mathematician. What is the name of the book written by Euclid? Elements, a famous book on geometry. Which famous Indian mathematician calculated the value of pi up to 5 decimal places? Aryabhat. Who invented coordinate geometry, analytical geometry? René Descartes, a French philosopher and mathematician. Who is the father of modern number theory? Pierre de Fermat, a French mathematician. Which Indian mathematician's birthday is celebrated as National Mathematics Day in India? Srinivasa Ramanujan, the 22nd of December. What ancient Indian text explains arithmetic and geometry? Leelavati, written by Bhaskara II. Who introduced the binary number system used in computers? Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. Which Greek mathematician proved that the earth is round using geometry? Eratosthenes. Who first formulated the concept of infinity in mathematics? John Wallis, in the 17th century. Who gave the formula for the area of a triangle, A equals 1/2 times base times height? Euclid, and also used by Aryabhat in ancient India. What is the name of the ancient Indian system of mental math techniques? Vedic mathematics. Which Indian mathematician contributed significantly to trigonometry? Varamihira and Aryabhat. Would you like this information in Hindi, or do you want a quiz format, like MCQs or fill in the blanks? Write in TH comment box. Thank you for watching full video. Do not forget to like, comment and share.